So we've got another topic which we need to look at. And the topic right here is balancing the chemical equations. So how do you balance these three chemical equations? They are unbalanced. So we need to balance them. Let's start with the first one. We have, this is one, we have x a plus f subscript 2 x e f 6. So how do we make this equation balance? So get xe right here, right? Xe, you write f, this f. So now check what is the number of atoms on xe. It's 1 right here. There's a 1. It's 1. What about f? What's the number of atoms? It's 2. So you just get the subscript. So right here and right here. We go to the next one, the other side. What is the number of atoms here? It's 1. Here it's 6. So this shows that the equation is not balanced. So we need to balance it. And how do we balance it? We make sure that this f, which is 6 here, and this side we have f with 6. If we see ze, it's a 1, 1. So it's balanced here. So where we need to make some changes is right here. So we'll check where are we supposed to balance. It's right here. So we'll put a 3 here. So why have I put that 3? So this 3 can be multiplied by the 2. So it will be 3 times 2 is 6, meaning here it will change. Our f over a 6. So we have balanced, 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 balanced. So you may be wondering that how have I put a 3 right here in front? So when balancing equations, you always put a number in front. We don't disturb this subscript. No, it's supposed to be either here, 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 or here. Since here it's 2, so right here. So you figure out where you think it can fit, but in front of the letters. Okay. I'm not supposed to put any number or any coefficient in front here because it's balanced. If you're able to see, we have 1, 1. But here are the 2. So I needed to think of a number which I'll put in front here, whereby if I multiply it by this, I get a 6, which is a 6 just like this. So the first one is balanced. Let's try to see the second one. So the next one here, we have sodium plus chloride 2. There we have sodium chloride. So we pick, so sodium there, we have chloride there. And here we have sodium and also chloride. So now check, what is the number of atoms for sodium? It's 1, here 1. What about chloride? It's a 2. Sodium this side, it's 1. Here it's a 1. So where are we not balanced? It's right here on chloride. It's not balanced. Sodium is balanced, but chloride is not balanced. So what are we going to do? We have sodium here, which has got 2 atoms. So we need to have 2 atoms here. So what are we going to do this side? We'll put a 2 in front to show that sodium now has changed to, chloride has changed to 2. So I've got 2 right here. This is a 2. Meaning this 2 times the 1 which is here, it's a 2. This 2 times the 1 which is on sodium here, it will give us a 2. Meaning here, we know that there is a 1 here and a 1. So this 2 times this, we get this. This times this, we have this 2. But still, it's not balanced because sodium has changed to 2. So we also need to balance the sodium the other side. So what are we going to do? We're going to put a 2 also in front right here. So we put a 2. So once we put that 2, it will change. There is a 1 here. So it will be 1 times 2, which is a 2. So this equation is balanced now. We have balanced it the way it looks. Let's check out the last equation. So for the last equation, we have f FeCl3 plus NOH. It's giving us Fe inside the brackets OH, a 3 plus NaCl. Okay, so how are we going to balance this? So to balance this, we will start with, we will list what we have. We have FeCl, we have N, we have O there, we have H. Okay, on the other side we also have the same. We have N, we have O, we have H. So in order for us to make this balance, we'll start now putting the number of atoms. So here we have 1. Here for chloride we have 3. For nitrogen it's 1. Oxygen is 1. Hydrogen is 1. So there's 1, 1, 1. Okay. Here for F is 1. Fe is 1. Oxygen, we need to be very careful. Oxygen here is a 3. There is a 1 here. Because of the brackets, you multiply by the number that is outside the bracket. So it's 3. For hydrogen, it's also 3. For nitrogen here, okay. Actually, here it's sodium. This is sodium. Yeah, in the question, it's sodium. This is not nitrogen, it's sodium. This is also sodium. So for sodium here, we have a 1. For chloride, we have a 1. So Fe is 1. Chloride is not balanced. Sodium balanced, and these are not balanced. So we will start with what is not balanced. We check here. Chloride is not balanced. So what number do we have, or how are we supposed to balance it? We need to put a 3 right here. So we put a 3 here so that we can balance, meaning this sodium has changed. So we have 3. This sodium is 3 because 1 times a 3 is 3. Chloride has also changed. 3 times 1, it's also a 3. So chloride has balanced, but we have disturbed the sodium here. We need to balance the sodium the other side. So where there is sodium here, we put a 3 because this is a 3. We want to balance, we put a 3 right here. So that's a 3. So now after putting that, we will know that, or we've known now that we have a 3 here on sodium. This sodium 3, meaning oxygen also has got a 3 because it's in front here. So 3 times the 1 which is here is a 3. Hydrogen has got a 3. So now when we look at the equation, it's now balanced. You see 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. It's balanced. So this is how you balance the chemical equations. Thank you so much. Kindly like the video, comment and share if it's beneficial to you. Bye-bye.